Guys, I'm going to bring you a new trend that's going on social media. And since you guys know I love my coffee so much, I will be bringing you a Sunday ice cream made instead of chocolate syrup. We will be using Javy syrup. It is so good. Guys, I will leave you my code in my description box so you can go and shop now and try your own trend of what's going on in social media. We'll be using vanilla ice cream. I will be using caramel and my syrup. You guys can see I already have my caramel. So let's start with half a teaspoon. Oh, look at this delight. This is what I call liquid gold. Yes, guys. And guys, believe it or not, this is my second one today. Remember, summertime is around the corner. And I used to be the one to go to the ice cream store to buy my coffee Sunday. But now I can make it at home. So you try it and let me know how you like it. You are going to love it. Bye, guys.